नुवे गांवची सून समंता फेर्नांदीस 29 ऑगस्ट तिच्या कुडीक उजो पेटोवन तिका GMCन ॲडमीट केल्ली. 38 ऑगस्ट ह्या दिसा तिका मरण आयलें. ते उपरांत तिचे आवयन मायना कुर्तोरी पुलीस स्टेशनार समंताचे सासूमाय पात्रोसिना फेर्नांदीसाचेर एक कंप्लेन रेजिस्टर केल्लें की पात्रोसिना फेर्नांदीस हिणें समंताक ती हॅरेस करताली आनी तिचे ताई डवरी मागताली म्हूण. आनी हाका लागून पात्रोसिना फेर्नांदीस हाणें मडगांवच्या डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्टान एंटिसिपेटरी बेल एप्लिकेशन केल्लें आनी आयज तिची सुनावणी आसली. पात्रोसिना फेर्नांदीस हे केसीक पर्सनली हाजीर आसली आनी आयज हे केसीची आर्ग्युमेंट जाल्यात आनी फुडले आर्ग्युमेंट्स सोमारा दिसा ह्याच कोर्टान जातले सकाळच्या 10 वरांचेर.
Is that we were asking for dowry from her, and as she did not give us dowry, we killed her. This is or she died in that connection. So the basic case is that she set herself on fire, and that in that fire she succumbed to injuries in GMC. This incident occurred on 29th August 2023. She died on 30th August. An offence comes to be registered on 30/11/2023.
Body is disposed.
Body is still not disposed. That was our main contention, in the sense, even though that is not connected with the offence. But what we were stating is that the body at least be disposed. Actually, we have permission from the deputy collector to dispose the body. We, in the sense, the son of the applicant, that is the husband of the deceased, has permission. But the family members of the deceased are not letting the body disposed. They have given their objections to the concerned parish priest, and therefore parish priest has said that till it is cleared. Anticipatory bail of Patrocina Fernandez was partly argued today, and it is kept for further arguments on Monday morning at 10 o'clock. So what had happened is there are some statements which were brought to the notice of the court by the prosecutor, and as there were some other matters before the judge, so she had less time today. So the matter was for clarification kept on Monday morning. And in the meanwhile, we have been reporting to the police station, and investigation is on. We are cooperating with the investigation.
प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर मडगांव सावन साबियो डायस.